So guys, welcome to Narotech. Today I am going to show you how you can manage your different layers in QGIS. So if you are working on a project with different layers, or if you have different layers on your project, and sometimes they become so confusing when the layers are plenty, but you want to manage them. Let's say you don't want to work with this layer. Okay, let's say you don't want to work with this layer, or you don't want to work with this layer, this one. Okay, you want to work with this one. Then what you can do, let me zoom this to layer. Zoom to layer. Why is zoom to layer? Okay, so what you can do is to bookmark all these layers. Okay, bookmark them. Bookmark simply means that you are going to create uh, a bookmark. Okay, but this is called spatial bookmark. So you're going to bookmark that layer so that if you need it, then you call it back to work on it. So let's say we have these layers. Okay, we have all these layers and you want to bookmark them, like the simple bookmark we do. So what you do is you come here. Okay, you look at this just like the Bible or like the book here. Okay, you see show special bookmark. Don't go to new spatial bookmark, or control B, new spatial bookmark. Okay, then you give it a name. Let's say area of interest 2. Okay, area of interest 2. Okay, then you're not adding it to any group because I don't have any group. Then you come to the extent. To which extent, which of the layers are you creating the bookmark for? Okay, so you realize that you see from here, calculate from layer. So the bookmark is calculating from what layer? Okay, so you choose your layer. We are doing for layer 2, so you just choose layer 2. Okay, and you just have to maintain your coordinate system for the layer. Okay, so there's no need for you to do anything to it. Then save in, you can choose anything. You can choose project bookmark or user bookmark. I prefer doing project bookmark. All right, then you save. Okay, so now your bookmark is what is created. Your bookmark is created. So I've created bookmark for layer 1. Let me add one to layer 2, or let me simply go to now show bookmark. Okay, so you go to show bookmark. It will show you the bookmark we have. You see, you have area of interest. Okay, under the project bookmark. So you have this. You can easily call it where you need it. And also, if you want to do a bookmark for different several layers, so that you will not suffer to see where the layer is located, especially when you're doing project with different layers not joined together. Some is at the north, some is at the south, some is at the west, but you want to call them. Okay, or you want to save them and later work on them. All right, so let's see if we can bookmark for another one. Okay, so new special bookmark. So let's do for area of interest. Area of interest 1. Area of interest 1. Okay, so yeah, so we calculate from, so we are going to book area of interest 1, then use our bookmark, which is I did it under project bookmark, project bookmark. Then you click on save. So you have all these 2 bookmarks. Okay, now if you want to work on this, you can easily click on it. This bookmark 1, you can easily click on this and you can go ahead to do your project. So this is how you can create bookmarks. Okay, for your project and work on them, right? So guys, do not forget to subscribe, share and like this video. I know it's going to help you in your project work, in your research and all other GIS, especially QGIS things that you do. Thank you very much. Yeah.